Introducing the Rainbow SRX and the new era in home cleanliness. The latest technology, the most innovative design, the most powerful, effective Rainbow system ever. Forward-facing controls, soft touch buttons, meticulous craftsmanship, advanced engineering, an all-new brushless 4-speed performance motor. More than 20 major design improvements over previous Rainbow models, including innovative new attachments, and over 8 decades of experience as the world's leading water-based cleaning system maker. That's what makes the SRX stronger, lighter, easier to use, and even more effective. For cleaner homes, cleaner air, and cleaner living, the Rainbow SRX, the world's most advanced air and home cleaning system that rises above all others as the most versatile, effective home cleaning solution available today and tomorrow. The Rainbow SRX, the true name for clean.